How to fix NVIDIA installer cannot continue in Windows 11. First, open the control panel from your computer. Then we will see your program and feature here. Click on the programs and features. From here, you can uninstall all NVIDIA software. After uninstall all software, then open services. Then find task scheduler. Right click, then select refresh. Then open device manager. Then click on display adapter and update your driver. Then open task manager. Then search for NVIDIA. Right click and select in task. Now open any browser. Then search NVIDIA app. Open the first website and download application. After download is completed, then install application. Hope you understand. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.